Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, bucket seats, leather seats, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.